Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk about my summertime favorites right now. So I don't want this video to be long and blah, but if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video. So of course, my favorite is the Born This Way concealers, the multi-purpose. They're amazing. I've actually been using the darker one as kind of like my foundation, and I love that they can be super coverage or they can kind of give you like a natural look. So when I'm going for like a natural summery dewy finish thing, I'll use a little bit of the darker one kind of around here and where I want to be dark, and then I'll just use a little tiny bit of concealer, and I'll kind of just use a stippling brush so it picks up any extras, and it'll kind of like let my freckles show through, but it lasts all day because it's like what, 18 hours or something like that. So I really love them. And I've talked about this and I've used it a lot on like Instagram photos, is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor. These are two highlighters and then we have two bronzers. So what I love about them is that my skin gets pretty dark in the summer, so it will sculpt out here and it gives me a highlight, or sometimes even if I have no foundation on, just like my sunscreen, I'll throw on a little highlight and I'll just dab a little bronzer in my cheeks just because I have a little bit of a chubby face. I really love it. And then again, it looks really awesome with my full coverage, full makeup days. I've talked about this so many times. I hate the Laura Mercier setting powder. My favorite setting powder is the Givenchy one. It has 4 colors in here. The 4 colors are supposed to color correct, like redness, darkness under your eyes. What I mostly love about it, it doesn't crease underneath my eyes and it smells really good. And Laura Mercier is very drying on my face. It definitely, if I have any dry spots, it definitely like brings out the dryness even more. I love that the Givenchy one doesn't do that. I freaking love it. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. And I feel like, I don't know, I feel like Laura Mercier gets way more publicity and Givenchy, the setting powder, doesn't. And I feel like if more people used it, they would love it just as much. I really loved, and I feel like I've talked about this before, is the Lancome Absolute Radiance. It's very pretty. It's like a setting powder-ish, or you could use it as a highlighter, but it just has a little bit of a glow. So if you just want that really natural look and you want to set it over like foundation, or if you don't even want to set it over, you just want to like sweep some on your face, it just makes your skin look so glowy and so nice. And it's not heavy, it's just very radiant, and I love to dust some on my face if I'm looking a little, I don't know, flat. Does that make sense? Then I really love the Winky Lux Watermelon Chapstick. It just smells like summer, you know. It reminds me of like a summer day sitting on the beach drinking like a cold drink. Like love it. And it just keeps your lips nice and moist. Then I'm loving, I posted this when I was in Jamaica and I wore it literally all of Jamaica. It's the Kevyn Kwan lip gloss. It's so pretty because it's like a baby pink, but then it has like little hints of gold glitter. So if you like a nice tan going on, it definitely like just makes your lips pop, and it's not overwhelming and like super shimmery and crazy. And my favorite lip combo, you guys know, in the summer, I love my coral lips. So I'm loving, this is Paradise Found by Buxom. Look how pretty this is. Hello, that's gorgeous. I can't deal. So I love it, and they have very comfortable mattes. Anybody who's tried Buxom matte ends up falling in love with it. And then I love to top it with the Urban Decay Snitch, and this is like the perfect gloss for it if you like gloss, and you guys know I'm a gloss girl, so I love it. I love the Born to Run by Urban. I love this. There's just so many shades. It's perfect if you're traveling. You only need this. You don't need to bring like 5 different palettes. It's beautiful. I love the case. It's nice and hard. You don't have to worry about it when you throw it in your suitcase. Love it. And it has a little mirror, which is perfect if you're in a hotel or whatever. And then, okay, last one is Kevyn Kwan, the Weightless Beauty Oil. And I just broke it because I'm too hard on things, but here it is. It's nice and pretty. Let's put a little bit on me right now because I just love it. It just makes your skin look like so like, ooh, been in the sun. Looking good. I don't know. It makes my nice dull skin look just a little more glowy and fresh and dewy. And I just kind of put it everywhere when I'm in the sun because it just looks so pretty. And I love it. And sometimes I'll just pop on a little like pink highlighter or whatever I want if I want to be a little extra. So those are my summer favorites. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys tried any of these products, let me know what you guys think. And I'll talk to you soon.